This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Hedge. Second floor condo in Western Branch, Clover Meadows III, 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, refrigerator, electric range, dishwasher, microwave, updated kitchenfhen, luxury vinyl planks throughout, updated light fixtures, walk-in laundry room, 1 reserved parking space, private entry/deck with outside closet for storage. Within the last 2 years, the windows and exterior doors have been replaced with upgraded vinyl windows, rot-proof door jambs with PVC molding and storm door, newer water heater, move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.